scratches on her.
Excuse me, everyone. Not to micromanage or anything, but do any of you actually know how to build a pineapple?
Well, of course we do, silly. Firstly, every pineapple needs a solid foundation to keep it firmly in place.
Not exactly, Miss Cheeks. A pineapple needs to be mobile with a strong hull attached in case you ever need to skip town unexpectedly.
Wrong! A pineapple needs a sweet but tangy flavor.
Those are all great ideas, but
But arguing about it ain't gonna get this pineapple fixed.